In this video, we're going for a New Hampshire day hike on the hunt for a truly terrifying cave squeeze.
Now this is already looking quite familiar indeed. I always love me a good stream crossing. Finally getting on track to head up the mountain I actually wanted to climb. You're certainly not wrong. This sure looks like pretty easy going. About right now, I was starting to wonder, where the heck are those caves? Certainly doesn't seem all that terrifying yet. This all actually looks rather standard. By this point, I was really starting to go crazy. I was like 90% of the way to the summit, and I still hadn't found these terrifying caves, which was the reason I was hiking the trail. Where the heck were they?
So I'm freaking scrambling up here. I'm following the blazes. Yep, blaze, go this way, go this way. Okay, yeah. Turn right up there. I thought, all right, I'll scramble up these rocks here, and then I'll turn right, and oh, there's nowhere to go over there, but are you kidding me? They want me to squeeze, can you see it? Through this little tiny crack. There's the arrows on the other side. I'm gonna have to take my freaking backpack off. Oh my gosh. I guess we can call that a cave. Oh, this is gonna be good. Jesus. Oh my God.
And that's actually the easy way to get through that crack compared to head first like the first time I tried. Freaking, oh my goodness.
There's the little way out. And there's the little way in. Oh, I can see the outside. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah, blazes. This is the correct path. Jeez Louise. Oh my gosh. This was really terrifying. Oh my goodness.
Come on, you got it. You're almost scot-free.
And welcome back. Now that got a little hairy, didn't it? I wasn't really sure I'd be able to squeeze through there. Oh my goodness. That was Mt Percival, located near Holderness, New Hampshire in the White Mountains National Forest. The view from the summit of Mt Percival counts for the 52 with the view, and then the cave squeeze route counts as a trail on the terrifying 25. The summit of Mt Percival is 2,211 feet tall, and to get to the summit today, we followed an out and back trail that was 4.5 miles total. Now, if you are feeling extra inspired to go check out this trail yourself in that crazy cave squeeze, I of course have created a custom all trails map, which I have included in the description down below. I have 3 words to describe this trail: fun, and a little bit scary. It was so much fun to crawl through those caves, squeeze through, almost get stuck a few times. That was clearly the highlight of the trail, but lest I forget, once you get through that cave squeeze, you are rewarded with one of the most amazing views of Squam Lake. It's just so much fun. The views, the squeeze, the adventure, this one really has the whole package. And you can make it even a little bit more fun because not only can you hike this one, there is also the option to hike the loop trail route and include Mt Percival and Mount Morgan and get the terrifying ladders on Mount Morgan as well. That's a 5-mile loop that you can do. I'd highly recommend you go check out both if you're going and checking out Mount Percival or Mount Morgan. The difficulty designation for this trail is kind of interesting. It's obviously pretty difficult if you go and do the cave squeeze. I would bump this trail all the way up to a hike and a half if you're gonna try and make it through that cave. It's rather technical and there's a lot of drop-offs when you get to the other side. Kind of scary, but there is another option. There is also the cliff route that you can do, and that goes around the other way, so you do not actually have to go through the caves to get to the summit, but it lowers the difficulty designation of this trail all the way down to off the beaten path. So if you're a little worried about that cave, definitely take the cliff route. Now, I've been dropping spoilers left and right. You of course know what I'm gonna say. Yes, I of course recommend Mount Percival and especially that cave route. Oh my gosh, it was so freaking fun trying to squeeze my way through there and figure out how exactly to navigate this tiny cave that I wasn't even sure I could fit through when I first got there. That was just so much fun. Definitely come check out Mt Percival. Now, of course, that's just my opinion. Let me know what you thought of the trail and that crazy scary cave in those comments down below. And if you have any suggestions on trails that I should be checking out next, let me know about those as well. That's all I got. Thank you so much for watching. Now go get hiking.